condolence message from His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, President and Commander-in-Chief of Kenya Forces, to the families affected by the recent floods. I extend our condolences to those who have lost their loved ones in the flash floods. With you at this painful moment. During these tough times, we stand in solidarity with those who are. We are actively coordinating relief efforts to alleviate their suffering. In memory of the flood victims, and to encourage reflection about the ravaging, we have declared Friday, May 10, 2024, a public holiday.